Hi everybody, it's 10:23 and 50 seconds on June 7th. This is mini number 2 for the Spider-Man 299 Raw and 300 graded 9.2. Over here on the left-hand side are the 15 filled spots. As explained in the post, whoever comes in first place is going to get the first 3 available spots in the main. Those spots are 1, 4, and 8. Whoever comes in second place is automatically going to get assigned the final 3 spots, which are spots 10, 13, and 20. Okay, so here we go. As soon as this is done, I'm going to run the main. Number is 8. Best of luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here is the final one. 8. Tim Soups comes in first. Thomas Bland comes in second. I'm going to assign the spots now and get the main run. 10:24 and 51 seconds.